After divorce, that is the solution of marriage, there is something called the legal death rule, which operates under the various wills law of various states in Nigeria, and also under English Wills Act, which is applicable under the status of general application also in Nigeria. The legal death rule states that once you have divorced your partner, in the eyes of the law, your partner is deceased. That is, your partner is no longer alive. That certain part of your will that you have assigned a gift or a property to them is therefore nullified. It means they cannot in any way be entitled to that gift again. And also, if you have made them executors of your will, they are now disqualified from being in that position or from occupying that position of being an executor of your will. People can then decide not to update their will after the solution of marriage. But the danger in this is that once these gifts are no longer attributable to them, or once these gifts can no longer be given to them, the gift then falls into your residuary estate, or at best, your will. If you have given the entire gift in your will to that spouse, your will now falls in the intestacy law. Your will no longer be upheld. It means your asset now falls under the intestate rule. It means you do not have any will any longer. It will now be passed down to relatives, and especially people that you do not want them at all to even benefit from your estate. It means if you don't have a child of a marriage, because in the hierarchy, your spouse first, your child or your children, your parents, then your siblings, and then the rest of the family. But in the situation where you do not have a child of that marriage, and now there is the solution of marriage that you have perfected, and your wife can no longer be a beneficiary of the gifts that you have attributed to her in the will, then it means those gifts will then go to the next person in hierarchy in accordance to the law. And if your parents are no longer alive, then it goes to your siblings. And if you're the only child, you don't have any siblings, then now it goes to the relative. It is important that you update your will upon the solution of marriage. It is even important that you update those non-assets. That is your next of kin on your bank account, your next of kin on your pension funds, or you need to update a lot of things after the solution of marriage. You don't just leave things to exist because your partner is now assumed to be dead in the eyes of the law, and you just leave everything just like that. You need to update certain documents, update your will, get a lawyer. I believe this has helped a lot of people and will further go on to help other people.